How do these planes scoop up 6,000 liters of water without even stopping? They're called water bombers or scoopers. When wildfires break out, these aircraft skim across lakes at over 70 miles per hour. In just 12 seconds, retractable probes drop into the water, sucking up thousands of liters straight into onboard tanks. Then, only minutes later, they're back over the flames, releasing a torrent powerful enough to knock down walls of fire. And the best part, they can refill and drop again every 15 minutes until the fire's out. So next time you see one skimming a lake, you're watching a flying firefighter at work.